Today's video is just a brief look of how I updated my island. I will have future videos to upload of my entire kitchen makeover, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for stopping by. After pulling and tugging and pressing out air bubbles, 2.5 hours into it, this is the mood that I was in by the expression on my face, but I kept going. I cut out the center where the sink was, used my blow dryer for the heat to melt the adhesive to allow the paper to conform. Then I trimmed the edge to give a neat look, then cut strips of marble contact paper, did the same process with the blow dryer to allow it to conform to the sink, and then I would press it in my finger to go up under the counter or under the sink, use the razor to strip off the excess, and here is the almost finished product because I have to order more contact paper to finish off both ends of the countertop and get my faucet. This was a frustrating 3-hour day, but I did not give up. When you put your mind to something, hold strong to it.